If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
For the last few years, WhatsApp has been playing a major role in our lives with group chats, then our daily chats, and with hell lot of features. And for our convenience, it is releasing new features every day for better use of the app. So today I'm here with some of the interesting cool tricks that every group admin must know. So a few years back, the major power that the group admins had was only to add people to the group, and some rights have also been given with the time. So in the recent past, there has been a lot of new features that have been launched in WhatsApp for the group admins. So let's start with first trick, that is adding members. So adding members was also before introduced when the new WhatsApp was launched. So adding in the group, the admin had the right of adding the new members whom they want to add, and also they can decide on whichever topic they want to. For doing that, just head on to group info, then go to add participants and choose the contact to whom they want to add in the group. And but sometimes it becomes difficult to limit which person if you do not have the contacts person's contact number. So there comes the second option, create and revoke group link. So you can just create the group link and you can send to different people if you don't have the contact number. So to do this, just head into group info and click on invite by link, and then choose through where you want to share the link. So you can share it through mail, messages, WhatsApp messages, or wherever you feel comfortable. So you might for doing to revoke also, you can suppose if you have shared your link to many people, then you might think that after some days it might create you a great problem, or you might be in trouble because many unknown people will come and join the group and they will start spamming. So to do this, just go to do the following steps and then click on revoke or renew the link. Then you can renew the link and you can share it again wherever necessary. So let's move to the third point, that is add or remove admins. Suppose you have group where you have more than 200 or 225 people in the group, and you might be not active regularly in WhatsApp. So in that case, you can add 2 or 3 admins in your absence. They can handle the group and they can discuss in your absence. So to do this, just head on to group info, then you can go to the person's contact, whoever you feel suitable for the admin post. Just you can press and hold, and you can add them to add as admin. So to remove them, you can do the same steps and you can remove them whenever if the person doesn't want to become the admin of the group. So next trick is restrict group info. WhatsApp recently launched you can add description to your group what the group is basically about, on which topics you are going to decide on the group, and this can be only edited by the admins. By default, it has been given to anybody who can change in the group, such as group name, group icon, etc. Or however, if the admin he or she wants to limit this to on, then he can just head on to options and he can group settings, then he can change it to only to admins. So last trick is restrict group messages. This feature is being recently launched, which is you can restrict group messages only to group admins. This feature comes in handy to group where group discussions are not so important and where only the messages from admins are important. So to do this, just head on to group info, then to group settings, then click on the option send messages. Then you can choose only admins and it will be done and you are good to go. So these were the 6 tricks that I found very interesting in the new WhatsApp launched, and these are very helpful for group admins who are basically into the WhatsApp groups regularly. So share it with your friends, share it with in your WhatsApp group, and let them know what they can do, those who are admins, with those features, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.